The story begins of a boy who is rushing to submit his assignment before the deadline, but he got hungry, so he ordered a beef pepperoni pizza. 10 minutes later, his roommate Mark attended the door and received the pizza. The irresistible smell of the pizza made Mark hungry, so he took a couple slices of the delicious pizza pie. After the boy has completed his assignment, he went to open the box of pizza he had ordered for lunch. To his dismay, 2 large slices of the pizza are missing, and the boy knew that his roommate Mark must have eaten them. Mark says that he is only willing to pay for the slices he has taken from the box. Hi, I'm Samuel Hall, and this is the pizza problem. So here's the scenario. The boy, Sam, ordered a circular 6-slice beef pepperoni pizza for lunch and found out that 2 slices have been eaten by his roommate Mark. He demanded Mark to pay half of the price as almost half of the pizza is gone. On the other hand, Mark is only willing to pay for a third of the price. But Sam wants Mark to pay his accurate share. So how do we figure out the portion of the pizza that was eaten by Mark? Well, we can just find the angle of the missing pizza denoted by X. Sounds simple, right? However, there's a challenge. Sam does not have a protractor to find the angle. So surely there must be another way to figure it out without using degrees, right? The answer to that is pi. Hold up, not that pi, this pi. For starters, what is pi? Pi is defined as the circumference of the circle divided by its diameter. What makes it pi special is that it is a constant ratio regardless of the size of the circle. To simplify, pi is the ratio of the circumference to its diameter, which will always be 3.14159, etc. But why is it called pi? Well, it was first called pi in 1706 by a Welsh mathematician named William Jones. It wasn't because he was thinking of a nice cranberry pie that he names it so, but because pi is the first letter in the Greek word perimetros, which means perimeter. Now that we're familiar with pi, let us figure out the amount of money that Mark has to pay Sam. According to Sam, the price of the pizza is $15, and the radius of the pizza is 30 centimeters. To find the length of the missing circumference will be a little tricky, but with a strip of paper and marker, Sam figures out that the length of X is 84 centimeters. Sam keys the data into the calculator, and by using the pi formula, distance denoted by X divided by pi diameter times price, he is able to determine that the missing slices are worth roughly $6.70. But what else can pi be used for, other than calculating pizza of course? A common use of pi is the calculation of the area of circles, of which the formula is pi r squared, where r stands for radius. Pi is also commonly used in the calculation of sines and cosine waves, which contributes a lot in the music and sound industry, allowing them to express sounds using different pitches and amplitudes. NASA also applies pi in space exploration and scientific calculations. An example is the calculation of the orbit of the Moon around the Earth. This shows that the use of pi allows NASA to be able to do accurate calculations of huge magnitudes and distances. Pi is also used in pie charts to accurately express data and statistics as a whole. Now that we know the importance of pi, let us not forget that Mark still owes Sam $6.70. So hand over the money, Mark! Good calculation work, Sam. Now go and enjoy your well-deserved pepperoni pizza.